Hello, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy. So let's get started. When you are logged into a GoDaddy account and you go to a website builder and choose the desired website that you want to put it, you will go to your settings up here in the right corner. When you click settings, you will go down by your Google Analytics page. You will click on it, and after clicking on it, you will here have your measurement ID or tracking ID that you can connect with your Google Analytics to use it or their site for analyzing your website. Of course, if you have an account, you can also click here and sign up for Google Analytics on your GoDaddy, or just find your measurements ID or tracking ID. You click down here so you can connect it from your Google Analytics. So guys, I hope this was helpful and you enjoyed this tutorial how to add Google Analytics in GoDaddy. It is quick and easy to connect it if you have everything set up. If you have any other questions for it, you can of course ask down below in the comments. Or if you need any other tutorials for GoDaddy or how to set up your website, we have everything covered on our YouTube channel down below. You can visit it. And of course, guys, if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.